y'all probably can't see me. Y'all probably.
I didn't have everything. I had to get my
You got everything now?
I know y'all probably can't see me.
Let me make sure I lock this up.
But, alright, there we go. There's the light. Alright, so the fun is ending.
Yeah.
Sunday, he's going home.
It's been a while. It's been a while. Yeah, fun.
Ain't this short?
Yeah.
Alright, so right now we're about to take JJ home, and then yeah, that's about it. But I missed the vlog yesterday. I just didn't really feel like picking up the camera because I just didn't feel like it. Cause like me and JJ was playing COD and stuff. Me and JJ was playing. Watch out. Me and JJ was playing COD. So.
I'm like counting and
Alright, so yeah, me and JJ was playing COD, so I didn't get to pick up the camera, or more likely the phone. So yeah, that's why I didn't vlog yesterday, but it is what it is. You got a new radio? But, yeah. Hope y'all liked our challenges, and if you haven't seen them yet, go on over to my main channel, Kawan Thomas. Check out our videos we did. And yeah, hope y'all like this vlog. So JJ, tell me about your experience being here.
it was good. We did so much challenges. We did the hot Cheetos and hot Funyuns challenge. And then if you've seen LG Thomas 2544, the other challenge we did was hot Cheetos and hot sauce. We also did a turn up video 2 times. And when I get home, I'm going to do one turn up video and show you guys how I hang out.
Yeah, so make sure you check out his channel. His channel is King.
Just go to LJ Thomas, look in the description, and look for King. And if you see me, subscribe.
Yeah, actually, yeah. But if you can't, go under LG Thomas, LG THOMAS Thomas, and then 2544. And when you click his blue icon, you should see Kawan Vlogs, Kawan Thomas, and King. If you don't, just pull up King and see how he lives. KING.
Or just go to Kawan Thomas and go to his subscriptions.
Yeah, because I subscribe to, so.
Little brother. Hall in Atlantic City. Kids do whatever they want when they were there. Hey! I know y'all not in that toilet. Y'all better not be in that toilet. Get your tickets now at Ticketmaster.com or keep listening to win. KRS-One, Kumo D, Big Daddy Kane, Houdini, and more. You know you want to see these all-stars of hip-hop. Sunday, January 17th at Boardwalk Hall in AC. Keep listening and get hooked up.
We're your hottest station for tickets. We're old school, 100.3.
Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys. I'm back and. Ooh, that lighting though. I'm back and I come home to some fried chicken. I come home to the creation of fried chicken. So, yeah. and his vlog. So yeah, pretty much it. There's not a lot to do. I'm about to eat this chicken, eat some popcorn, and chill. I know, very fast. So yeah. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope y'all guys liked it. If y'all do, leave me a thumbs up down below. Show me some love, And don't forget, shout out to Jason. Make sure you show him some love on his channel. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.